these girls are putting in. And if somebody gets injured, you have to kind of tear it all apart and put it back together again. And what that must do to not only the team, but the personal relationships within that, and how that affects the friendships and the family members who have to drive them hours to competition. And it's like how that all kind of bleeds over into the rest of the world.
So what do you do to protect the teachers that you work with from injury? But also, how do you do sort of the mental training around, okay, yeah,